Welcome to our meditation practice. Together, now we are co-creating a space of love, unconditional love, and light. A space that we enter to find our true self, to reconnect with our essence, to see the divinity in all of us, to become one with all the loving light throughout creation. And today we are asking Source to activate within ourselves the loving wisdom of TAV. TAV, 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 to help us understand the meaning of our journey, to help us understand the meaning of every situation that we went through, that we are going through, and all the future situations that we will have to face, to help us find the lessons, to help us grow through every experience. We are asking the loving wisdom of TAV to help us align with our higher self, so every experience in physicality becomes a bliss. We are asking the loving wisdom of TAV to give us the wisdom, divine wisdom, to reflect in every situation, to find the clues, the treasures, the opportunities for growth. We are asking the loving wisdom of TAV to help us remove judgment from ourselves, judging ourselves and judging others, to give us divine understanding and compassion as we see our journey, as we understand other people's journey, other people's struggles, other people's limitations. We are asking TAV to bring compassion into our hearts. And now, together, as one, let's breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. And one more time, take a deep breath and slowly exhale. And now visualize a 6-point star, color gold, in front of you. And when you feel ready, step inside. Enter this space of light and love, and open yourself to become one with this light. Take a deep breath and exhale. Breathe in golden light. Allow this energy to filter through your skin. Feel golden sparks entering every cell in your body, aligning, healing, upgrading every cell in your body. Now you are absorbing God's light into you. Breathe in and exhale. Now bring your awareness to the back of your head and relax the back of your head. Visualize a door at the back of your head, and with all your will, close that door. Now every thought, any idea that do not belong to you, that do not belong to this lifetime, stays outside. The door is closed. Take a deep breath and exhale. Only divine inspiration from your higher self is allowed into you. The flow of information now is being rewired, is entering only from your higher self. Bring light to your neck and shoulders. Allow your body to relax. Feel your neck and your shoulders relaxing. Your arms are relaxing, hands and fingers relaxing. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Now notice light in and around your hips, in and around your legs, in and around your feet. All your body now feel relaxed. And through your feet, feel these energetic roots that are growing, extending through earth, reaching now the core of our planet, and feel that connection. See yourself as an extension of Earth's energy, and through your roots feel Mother Earth feeding you with life force energy. Brilliant light that is now ascending through your roots, strengthening your roots. Feel life force energy reaching now your feet. Take a moment and feel this energy ascending now through your legs, slowly. And as the energy enters your body, feel yourself stronger, feel yourself balanced. Feel perfect harmony within yourself. Feel yourself expanding, opening, reaching higher. Take a deep breath and exhale. Life force energy is now at the base of your spine. Bring your awareness now to the base of your spine. See the light in it. Feel this force now rising through your spine, slowly, with control, ascending through your spine, healing, aligning, opening all your energetic centers. Opening your heart now, getting into your mind, opening your third eye. Take a deep breath, open your spiritual arms, see yourself open. Notice your heart center, and within your heart, notice this spark shining bright, your essence, God in you. Connect with that spark. Give yourself time and space to look at it, to notice the power in it. This spark that it is timeless, unchangeable, the essence of creation. The spark that is in you has been always in you and always will be in you. The eternal light. Take a deep breath. Open yourself. Feel at peace. Relax. Contemplate that light. And give this light time and space to grow and expand. Give this light freedom. Notice the light growing bigger than your heart now, illuminating all the space in your heart center. Feel this light growing now bigger than your body. Feel the love in it. Notice the light now expanding through your field. All your energetic bodies are being purified by God's light. God's light is all you are now. Surrender. Let it be. Become one with God's light. Be open and willing to give up any energy that is not aligned with this light. Any thought, any emotion, any belief. Be open and willing to dissolve any aspect of you that is not in perfect alignment with this light. Offer it to the light. Make that choice now. You are giving God's light permission to take over, to guide you, to protect you, to illuminate you. You are becoming one now with God's light. You are God's light. Relax. Allow your ego mind to relax. There is nothing to fight. You are feeling unconditional love. You are expanding throughout creation. You are free now. Be present and allow the light of God to be. Take a deep breath. Exhale. This is what you are. You are now expressing God's light. And this is the light that is healing you. Within this light, you are transforming yourself. Allow God's light to transform you. Allow God's light to dissolve, transmute any aspect of yourself that is less than loving. You are now unconditional love. You are now compassion. You are now forgiveness. You are now God's light. TAV, TAV, TAV. You are now transformed. You are now transformed. See yourself walking your path as pure divine light and look around you. If you find another soul brother or soul sister, share your light. Allow them to get closer to you and absorb your light, to take all the light that they need. You are always connected to an infinite flow of divine light. You are connected to Source. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Bring your hands to your heart. Humbly accept your divinity. Feel how luminous you are, how loving, how compassionate. Notice your state of loving now, how much you want to give, how much you want to help. See how much you have to offer. Remember these feelings. Remember who you are. And now take a deep breath. Exhale. And when you feel ready, open your eyes.